A very good morning to all of you. Now today in English we are going to do some match the pictures with their names. Okay, as you can see I have made some pictures here and I have written the name of them. But what we have to do in this, we have to match the correct picture with their correct names. Alright, so just get ready with your copy, pencil and erasers. Here we go. The first one is fat. Now, what we have to do, we have to check the ways the spelling of fat is written. Here, no. This one, can you spell it? F-A-T, fat. So here, I got the first one and we have to match it. Okay. The second is a man. Here, M-A-N, man. So we are going to match it. Alright. Now this is dam. D-A-M, dam. T-A-P, tap. So here we have done this. Now this is tag. Tag. So here we go. T-A-G, tag. This is cab. C-A-B, cab. This is man. M-A-D, mad. And this is mail. M-A-I-L, mail. So we have done our match of the following. That is, we have matched the pictures with their names, correct names. Okay, so you have to do in the same manner. Color the pictures, spell the word, pronounce the word properly. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.